Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Pearl Bath Bombs. This is their sprinkled donut, which on their website looked so adorable. It looks nothing like that when it arrived. For starters, completely damaged. It doesn't have icing drizzled all over it like it pictures. And the ring is just in the center. Again, not pictured like that on their website. So I thought that was really deceiving. I had been saving my Pearl points, which is the rewards that you get from entering the code, for years. I had never spent them. So I finally cashed them all in and got a bunch of free bath bombs, and pretty much all of them were like disappointing or badly damaged, and I think maybe only one came not crumbled and, I don't know. It was really disappointing. So I'm not sure if that's just how they are now, because it's been a while since I've ordered, or if they just didn't care because I redeemed them and they were free, essentially. I don't know, but very disappointing. The bath bomb itself is supposed to smell like raspberries and strawberries, vanilla, and whipped cream. It was very sugary and sweet, but it was very faint, so there was not much of a scent to it. It did say it was supposed to contain a $30 to $40 ring, but when you enter the code, it never tells you the value of the ring. It only gives you Pearl points, so that's also kind of confusing. And it's not like a sterling silver ring or anything, it's just rhodium plated. And I'll show you a close-up of the ring once I get it out of the water, but it looked kind of cheap in certain areas, so I'll bring that up when it's on camera, see if you can see it. But the bath bomb was very moisturizing. You could tell it had a lot of oils in it. It felt good on my skin. But that's about the only positive to it. Very disappointed how it arrived. So here's my paper with my points and my ring. So the sizing, it says size 18 on it. I think that's from a different country. I know like the sizes are off. And the ring itself I thought was pretty, but there's all this like bubbling and little like dots in the metal, and it's not part of the ring. It's like a defect. It just kind of looked cheap. But it was sparkly and shiny. And most of their rings are just, clear diamond-like stones. And this did give me 100 Pearl points, which I think is the norm now. It used to be like 10. It used to be really low. But now they give you 100 Pearl points. So that's what I got for redeeming this. And I do have some more products to do the reviews for. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.